It's November already, which means it's almost 2024. Many people start the new year with new goals they want to achieve, but in reality, most of the people who set goals will fail. In the beginning of the year, we start with the so-called fresh start effect, which motivates us naturally to achieve our goals. I think we've all had this experience where we start in January with new resolutions and before March we've already stopped. So let's try to change that in 2024 and dive into some essential hacks to achieve your goals in 2024. And if you're already watching this before the end of the year, you are already making a head start and setting the right tone for achieving your goals in the new year. Hack number 1. Clarity is key. First off, clarity is essential. Be clear about what you want to achieve, write it down and make it smart. This means you have to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, and relevant. And it also helps to set yourself a timeline. It's not enough to say, I want to be successful. You need to define what success means to you, how you're going to achieve this, and within what time frame. It also helps to divide your goals into the different areas of your life. For example, physical health goals, financial goals, or personal growth goals. You can set different goals for each of these aspects to grow in all areas of your life for the next year. An example of a financial SMART goal is, I am going to save an extra €100 every month by transferring the money to my savings account on the day I get my paycheck. An example for a physical goal is, I'm going to work out 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I'm going to follow this training schedule for at least 3 months. Hack number 2. Break down your goals. It's important to divide bigger life goals into smaller, more manageable habits. These mini habits will make the larger goal feel less overwhelming and more achievable. If you want to improve your posture, for example, it is easier to do a 5-minute stretching activity every day than to transform your posture all at once. You can make a habit tracker for yourself or use a habit tracker app to write down these smaller daily goals and tick them off. Make sure to pick a few goals that are the most important to you. If you start with 10 new habits in one time, it is very difficult to stay motivated and it can also feel very overwhelming. You can start with 1 or 2 new habits and build up when you feel like you have made these new habits a part of your daily routine. Hack number 3. Stay consistent and resilient. Consistency is your friend. It's better to take small, consistent actions towards your goal than to make a big push all at once. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. If you become better 1% every day, at the end of the year you won't recognize yourself anymore. Resilience, being able to deal with setbacks, is another key factor in goal achievement. Setbacks and obstacles will definitely happen during the new year, but it's how you deal with these challenges that will determine your success. It might help to write down situations that will negatively impact you from achieving your goals. By writing this down, you can make yourself a plan for how to deal with these situations and you will be more prepared. If you enjoyed this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Not only will you be helping the algorithm spread the feel good vibes, but you'll also be indirectly helping other people achieve their goals. And who doesn't want to be a part of that? Now let's continue to the last 3 hacks. Hack number 4. Create a positive environment. Your environment plays an important role in achieving your goals. If you like to be more productive, for example, it can be difficult to achieve this when your desk is messy all the time. Try to think about what kind of changes in your environment might help you with achieving your goals. Personally, it helps for me to lay down my gym outfit and turn on some energizing music before I start my workout. If you want to get up earlier in the morning, but you hate to get out of bed, try to find something that makes your morning a bit more fun. Make yourself some tea, for example, or buy that nice and warm pajamas. If it will help you achieve your goals, it might be a good investment to consider. Hack number 5. Regular reviews. It's crucial to review and reassess your progress regularly. This will help you stay on track and make the necessary adjustments along the way. Set a specific time and day every week or month in your calendar to shortly review your goals. Ask yourself what helped you this week to stay motivated. How do you feel about your goals? And what will you do in the next month to stay on track? It's up to you to evaluate your goals, and sometimes goals can even become more specific. Taking the time to evaluate will also help you to identify what kind of situations make it easier or more difficult to stay on track. By doing this every month, you can try to make the next month a little bit better. Hack number 6. Seek guidance or find a buddy. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance when you're trying to achieve a new goal. There are plenty of resources and mentors out there who can provide valuable insights and advice. It might also help to find someone who can be your buddy. Your buddy can help you remind yourself of your goals, and it makes you feel less lonely in achieving your goals. Together, it can be easier to make changes. For example, if you and your friend want to work out more and eat healthier, share workouts or recipes with each other. Talk about it every now and then, and motivate each other by sharing your achievements. Remember, achieving your goals is a journey, not a destination. So enjoy the process and celebrate your achievements along the way. If you stick to these 6 hacks, I'm sure it will be much easier to achieve your goals in the new year. So good luck, and feel free to come back and watch this video again if you need a new motivation boost for achieving your goals in the next year. I will see you in the next video.